India is witnessing rapid road expansion on a never-before-seen scale. Power-packed machinery rolls through the country, taking roads to the people. Residents in and around Punjab's Sangrur district have struggled for years with National Highway 64's route. For people and goods to move to major cities and markets, Sangrur city was a minimum of a 30-minute traffic jam, only to encounter another congested spell in Dhanaula town 30 kilometers after. For perishable agricultural goods, time wasted is money down the drain. Patel Infra's crew took on the job of upgrading the national highway to 4 lanes and also building bypasses that help truck traffic go around towns, saving more than 45 minutes on each bypass. A brand new alignment passing through farmland, the Sangrur bypass required 8.5 lakh cubic meters of earthwork. Project planners decided to approach neighboring farmers to purchase seemingly useless, barren earth to execute the project. The construction process clearing farm debris and creating wealth in the process. The crew today is working on the highway's green cover. "15,000 saplings were planted during construction. Each of these now stand tall and proud. Further along National Highway 64, in the 40+ kilometer stretch between Tapa and Bhatinda, safety executives are hard at work.
रूट पेट्रोलिंग में हम देखते हैं जो चीज़ मान लो साइन बोर्ड कोई नया लगाना या एसिम शीट वगैरह डैमेज हो गई या उसको रिपेयर वर्क, ऐसा काम ये करना मेरी जिम्मेवारी है। और जहाँ इंक्रोचर काम में लेबर मान लीजिए काम ज़्यादा कर रही है क्रैक सीलिंग पे काम में, तो उनकी सेफ्टी देखना ये मेरा काम है जी। इसमें जो भी एक्सीडेंट होता है जी हमें टोल फ्री नंबर से या HR एडमिन साहब जो उनके पास कॉल जाती है वो मुझे इन्फॉर्म करते हैं, तो हम उसको लेकर हॉस्पिटल ले जाते हैं और उनके घर वालों को इन्फॉर्म कर देते हैं। या किसी गाड़ी का टायर फट गया, जब पंचर हो गया, रोड के बीच खड़ी है, चाहे वो बड़ा हैवी ट्रक है या छोटी गाड़ी है, क्रेन से उसको साइड कर देते हैं ताकि जो पीछे वाली आने वाली ट्रैफिक को है कोई दिक्कत ना हो सके।
A crucial connection between Punjab's farms and the country's markets, this national highway is now very busy, and ripples spread everywhere. Sumit's father opened a dhaba on this stretch many years ago. Sumit is now seeing it prosper under his care.
जब यहाँ टोल प्लाजा बना, अच्छी लोकेशन बन गई, एक सिटी का नाम बन गया, बठिंडा टू बरनाला रोड अच्छी लोकेशन है, एक मार्केट बन गया। दिन ब दिन प्रॉपर्टी की रेट बढ़ रहे हैं, 25-30 हज़ार की सेल थी पर डे की, और 2019 के बाद फिर 35-40 हज़ार के उसके अप हो गया। तीनों ओर का ट्रैफिक इसी रोड पे चल रहा है। बठिंडा टू चंडीगढ़ के लिए इससे बेस्ट रोड और कोई नहीं है।
In another agricultural economy, more than 2,700 kilometers away, local residents hope for similar growth. It takes more than 2 hours to drive the 50 kilometers between Tamil Nadu's Sethiatop and Cholapuram. The 48-kilometer stretch between Cholapur and Thanjavur is almost as jam-packed. Neither perishable goods nor the tourists headed to famous temples nearby are willing to wait that long. Here, Patel Infra's crew are in for a tougher challenge. Tamil Nadu experiences two monsoons. The southwest monsoon arrives in June and gives way to the northeast monsoon in September. Road construction is possible for just 5 months of the year. To reduce costs and create roads suitable for humidity, the crew here works with asphalt and bitumen. Earth is brought in from all 4 neighboring districts so that 4 sides of the highway can be built simultaneously. Natural sand, muram, gravel and crushed stone form the base. It is treated with cement for additional strength. Each roller applies pressure equivalent to about 2 large elephants on the roadbed. A large number of men and machines must work together to meet the deadline. In the 50 kilometers between Sethiatop and Cholapuram, 4 batching plants, a hot mix plant, a special cement-treated sub-base plant churning out a whopping 250 tons each hour, more than 250 dumpers, a paver the width of the lane along with 1,000 men, including 100 engineers, are deployed. Between Cholapuram and Thanjavur, around 700 to 800 men work with a similarly large army of machines. They work day and night to beat the clock. As March sets in, the crews also have to battle high temperatures and humidity amidst the tight deadlines. A highway in the making makes livelihoods. It builds hope and carries possibility.
So I think that is again, any highway that is being built anywhere, because it is part of the larger picture, it's like the huge machinery. Every single bolt in every machinery is equally important. One bolt not working, the machinery will stop. I think every contribution is made by every highway that is being built in this country, every big bridge that is being built in this country, is making sure that our highways are world class, our highways will fulfill our future requirements. I think that is the contribution every highway that is being built